have something super insane to share with you guys. Something super cool. Stoneforged literally turned my demonic energy into a whole PC setup. Feast your eyes on Numi PC. The colors, the flames, the swag. The setup is so dangerously pretty. It's actually unfair. If your setup doesn't have this swag, what the heck are you doing, man? My official collab with Stoneforged releases on June 14th. So, yeah, prepare yourselves for this gorgeous release. Woohoo! Yeah!